Just wanted to make you guys aware of this new partnership that T-Mobile gained. I guess it's a Paladin Cloud receives new investment from T-Mobile Ventures. T-Mobile teams up with Paladin Cloud to help developers reduce security risks while protecting their applications and data. So again, another partnership for T-Mobile, and we'll continue seeing this, as I've mentioned before, throughout this year and then more aggressively into next year. Now, as I've said before, T-Mobile is going to invest very strategically and smartly. So they're not going to go into or go big into sections that they know they really can't win, such as the bigger enterprise and the wireline, because they don't really have the assets to go big in that specific segment. So they're going to slowly, gradually grow into that where they feel they can win. So they're going to go after smaller businesses. They're going to go after some of these types of venture partnerships, and that will eventually grow. Do I still think they need wireline to own it? Yes, I truly believe that. Not the last mile to the house, but they need to own the asset. They need to bring their own fiber to the site. I do truly believe they need to do that to ultimately truly be able to compete for the enterprise and to show those cost savings on the OpEx if they truly go 10 gigs at scale. We don't know what that scale looks like, but if they do it at scale, that's going to inflate their OpEx significantly. That will be the highest OpEx they will ever operate. And with them having their own fiber, the cost savings of the owner economics are going to be big because 10 gigs is just going to be expensive. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.